This is the fruit stand.
This isn't real.
What is real? How do you define real? This is the world that you know.
This is the fruit stand.
Built to keep us under control in order to change a human being into this.
No. Stop. Let me out. Let me out! I want out!